Hi guys, it's Lori from Waco. This is the website that I had found online that I really liked. It's www.teacherswithapps.com. And when you put that in your search bar, this is the main page that comes up. This is a tab that tells you about their homepage. This is about them. This is about their reviews, their services, any news that they have going on, a blog, and how to contact them. So this is just the initial page when you log on. It shows you different apps that you can acquire on this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up. And in the search bar, I had put content area literacy. And I did a search on that. And what it had brought up was different apps having to deal with content area literacy in the classroom. So this is just a couple of them. Area of Rectangles by Brain Camping. Digital Literacy Anywhere. There's Toon Tales, Social Media Literacy, lots of different apps that are in here. The one thing that really caught my eye that I really liked about it, being that I'm going to be an EC through 6th grade teacher, is that it has categories starting with toddlers, then it goes to preschool, to primary, to elementary, to the upper level, to special needs, and then productivity, teachers' tools and students' tools and everything like that. I just thought it was really awesome to see that it starts with the itty bitties and it goes all the way up to the big kids. So it's a website that can be used by families that have various age children at home. And I feel that if you're doing this in the classroom, this would be something for families to do at home together, because whatever you're doing in the classroom should really carry over to your home life, and you should be practicing at home what you're doing in school. So I just feel that this is a really good website to utilize all those different facets of education. It has regular apps, and then you can look on for content area as well. I hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.